Hello guys, my new and my old subscribers, you all are welcome. I love you all. So today in this channel I'm going to be teaching you how to make kokoro. Did that name ring a bell? Remember, you are welcome. So guys, this is it. I'm going to be chilling out with this coke 0%. It's very crunchy guys. It's so crunchy. Very hard. Mm. 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 So crunchy. Um, mm, mm, mm. You're welcome. So this is maize flour. This is maize flour. The both of them are the same. You can use any of them. Okay, any one you see, any maize flour can do. This is maize flour. So I am using this because I have this first at home. So I just bought the other one. I want to use this first because it has been with me. So I'm using this. You can use any maize flour at all. Okay, so it's the same thing. Both is the same. Okay, so I open it. I'm going to be turning it into this plate. You can turn it to the pot direct. Okay, you can turn it to the pot direct, and the quantity you are going to be doing, even though you want to finish all the maize flour in there, you can finish it. This is sugar. I just add a little bit to it. You can decide to add more, depends on what you want. This is salt. I add salt to it. So this is pepper, dry pepper that I blend. I add little to it. It's just 3 ingredients you need. Okay, salt, sugar and pepper. You can decide not to add pepper. This is pot. I turn it into it. If you don't want to do this, when the water boils, you can make it the way we make swallow fufu. You can make it that way. You can decide to do this. You can decide to just make it swallow. Anyone that will be easy for you after mixing it with the ingredients, with the salt and the sugar and the pepper. So you can decide not to put pepper. Okay, depends on what you want. You can even decide to add honey or brown sugar or just little sugar, depends on what you want. You know, the kids love sweet things, but you just minimize it to put a little bit. Okay, so guys, I love this snack. I don't know about you. What do you like snacking the way I do? Because I love this snack. It's so crunchy and it's so good in the house. When you do it and just keep it in the house, just be enjoying it. It's so good. Okay, so if you don't know how to make this kokoro, this is not a video for you to learn. It's so simple. So the texture that I want is this. You can decide to do it lighter, you can decide to do it stronger, depends on what you want. So guys, kokoro is so yummy. I love it. I love it. The crunchiness, the way it feels in the mouth, I love it. So you still make it to that texture you want. Okay, so that is it. After this, I take a bowl. This is the bowl. I pour in the dough. After pouring in the dough, you see it's very hot. We have to leave it for like 5 minutes to cool. So now I have leave it for 5 minutes. It's cold now. So I will start with my pan, bringing out the pan and the dough. I will start mixing it. There is nothing to miss about it, but I just want it to stick together. Okay, we don't put any ingredients anymore. So we're going to be placing it in the floor there. Make sure you clean it, and it's good to be neat. You pour this there, the flour, which is the maize flour. You put it on the ground there. Okay, you start just mixing the dough, just a little is okay. Okay, so After that, we are going to start with the rolling. So simple. You take little roll. You roll, you roll it this way, you drop it in the pan. That is just, it's so simple, guys. So simple. I am dropping it in the pan. It's so simple. If you have not been doing it before, start doing it. So this is the way I will be rolling it till I am done with all. It's not difficult, guys. You can see that I've been doing this, okay? Before you know, before you say yes, you are done. It's so yummy. I love it. Guys, just try it and tell me what you feel about it. Your kids are going to love it. Your husband is going to love it. You yourself, you are going to like it. You remember kokoro, it's so sweet with when you eat it with coconut, it's so sweet. When you eat it with chill coke or chill malt or chill water or juice, it's so sweet. Just to be breaking it while sitting down and be watching movie or be studying your books or what you're doing, just be breaking it as a snack. It's so good. So because of, maybe you say you are doing dieting, you don't want sugar, you can escape that sugar. You can decide not to use sugar. It's not bad, okay? Depends on what you want. You can decide to use brown sugar. So guys, I told you we are going to be seeing everything in this channel, every good thing, every good talk, every good video, every good thing in this whole world. You are going to be seeing it in this channel. As far as good for your health, it's good for you, it's good for your ear, it's good, it will encourage you. Every good thing is going to come in this channel, because every good and perfect thing come from our Lord. Good and perfect thing come from God. So every good thing is going to be coming here. So guys, if you have not done this before, you think you're not going to do it, don't just condemn yourself. You can do it. I always say, if I can do it, you can do it also. Because you are a strong woman, you are a strong man, you are a strong girl, you are a strong individual out there. I know you are a strong personality. You can do it. So simple. Okay, guys. So that is the way I will be rolling it. Sorry for this rolling taking time, but I need to teach you how to do it, okay? So just that way, before you know, you are done. You are just, it's just 3 ingredients. Everything is in your kitchen. Everything is in your kitchen. Do you know that this maize flour is so cheap, it's not costly? You can see it in any supermarket around you. You can see it, okay? You can see it in any supermarket. You can always see maize flour. So now we are done. You see all this one, I'm picking it. No wastage, there shall be no loss. So I have to clean here now. I have to clean here. You know, cleanliness is next to godliness. So I have to clean here so that everywhere will be sparkling. You see the last one I picked, I still made one out of it. So guys, that is it. So this, I'm going to be taking it back. I'm not throwing it away because there is not dirty. I maintain it, okay? Now I clean where I use. You see the way it's sparkling. So this is what we are going to be doing today. So I'm going to be putting oil in the pan. So if you decide to put it in the oven, it's your choice. But I make it the way you can make kokoro. The real way to make kokoro, that is what I'm teaching you right now. So anything you want to learn that you don't know about, just write it down below or send it to me on my Facebook Messenger, Div Daniel. So simple, okay? So we start frying it. You have to test the oil first with one. If it's hot, go ahead and do it, okay? We are going to be frying it in, is going to be brown the way we want, okay? the way it's going to be brown, something like brown, or you're going to see the color. So that is it. So simple. So it's okay this way. It will be this way before you're going to bring it out. You see the way it is. This is the kokoro. Kokoro. Maybe you want to call it in America where you can say kokoro. This is our kokoro. It's so yummy. Guys, do you see this kokoro? It's so beautiful. It's a beautiful kokoro. So this is the second batch that we are frying. So, oh guys, I love this kokoro. I can't do without kokoro. Every time I like to have it in the house so that I will just be breaking it. The crunchiness is just the one that is making me loving it and the way it is. So this is the second batch of the kokoro. So that is it. If you don't understand what is kokoro if you don't understand, you don't know what is kokoro, is Africa snack, okay, made with maize flour. Okay, if you don't know how to call the name kokoro because of the way your English is matured, you can say kokoro. Okay, so sweet, guys. It's so sweet. It's so yummy. Just try it out. Just try it out. You are going to love it. I'm telling you. I am telling you. You are going to what? Love it. You are going to love it. So, guys, I love you. 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 Mwah. Thank you. Enjoy yourself. Subscribe, like, press the notification bell. I love you. So guys, this is it. I'm going to be chilling out with this Coke, 0%. It's very crunchy, guys. It's so crunchy. Very hard. Mm. 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 So crunchy.